In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert multiple images into Google Sheets seamlessly. Sometimes we find ourselves in a situation where we're working on a Google Sheets project and realize that incorporating images would really enhance the overall presentation and understanding of the data. Well, the good news is that Google Sheets offers a way to do this, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's open Google Sheets and select the specific document where you'd like to insert your images. If you don't have one open yet, you can start a new document or locate the file you want to add images to in your Google Drive. Once your document is open and ready, navigate to the cell where you want to place the first image. The placement of your images can depend on how you want them to relate to the data or how they align with the other content in your sheet. Next, you'll want to go to the main menu at the top of your screen. Here, click on the Insert option. This is your gateway to adding various elements, such as images, into your sheet. Under Insert, you'll see a menu drop down where you should select Image. Upon clicking Image, you'll have a couple of choices: Image in Cell or Image over Cells. Choosing Image in Cell will place the image confined within the cell's boundaries, while Image over Cells lets the image float above the cells, which might be preferable for larger visuals. Once you've made your selection, you'll be prompted to choose the image source. Google Sheets allows you to insert images from several places. You could upload an image from your computer, use a URL if your image is online, or even select pictures from your Google Drive or Google Photos if they are available. Select the source that works best for you, and then find the image you want to insert. Make sure it's in the appropriate format, usually JPEG or PNG are best, and that it meets your size requirements, as overly large images might disrupt your sheet layout. After selecting your image, click on it and then hit Insert. Your image will then appear in your chosen cell. If you're inserting multiple images, you'll need to repeat the process for each one, placing them in their respective cells. You can adjust the size of your images by clicking on them and dragging the corners to resize them. Also, ensure you leave sufficient space in your spreadsheet to accommodate the images without overcrowding your data. And there you have it, a straightforward method to enhance your Google Sheet with images. This feature is incredibly valuable for visually rich presentations, making your data analysis or project proposals more engaging. Once you've mastered this, you can explore further customization options in Google Sheets to polish your work even more. Happy working!